What's up, guys? Charles here. Corsair is excited to announce the Frame 4000D LCD RS ARGB, a premium mid-tower case featuring a fully functional Xeneon Edge 14.5-inch LCD touchscreen. Building on the success of the award-winning Frame 4000D, this upgraded version delivers improved airflow, enhanced connectivity, and reinforced steel panels while showcasing the flexibility of the Frame modular case system. Additionally, LCD mounting kits are available to let builders integrate an Xeneon Edge 14.5-inch LCD touchscreen into their existing Frame 4000D or Frame 5000D case. The integrated LCD touchscreen display offers a crisp 2560 by 720 native resolution and a bright AHVA panel that remains clear at any angle. It is ideal for real-time system monitoring, ITUE widgets, or use as a secondary Windows display. 5-point multi-touch ensures intuitive control, and the screen comes pre-installed and pre-wired in the side panel, ready to use out of the box. Easily connect the display to your GPU with the included HDMI or DisplayPort over USB Type-C cables for a quick, seamless setup. Cooling performance has been significantly upgraded with this new version of the Frame 4000D, as it now includes 4 RS 120p-WM ARGB fans for exceptional airflow with simple motherboard RGB control right out of the box. 3 fans provide strong intake airflow at the front, while a 4th fan exhausts heat efficiently from the rear. A new bottom fan mount adds flexibility, and a full-length bottom air filter simplifies maintenance. The tempered glass side panel offers a clear view of your build, allowing builders to appreciate the balance between aesthetics and practicality, ensuring the case looks great and feels solid. The front I/O now features 3 USB Type-C ports, including 120 gigabits per second connector for high-speed throughput and convenient charging, making it easier than ever to connect modern devices without needing extra adapters. Inside, the case supports ambitious cooling setups with the flexible InfiniRail fan mounting system, support for dual 360mm radiators, and space for up to 13 fans in total. Compatibility with reverse connector motherboards such as Asus BTF, MSI Project Zero, and Gigabyte Project Stealth ensures clean builds for those who prioritize clean cable management. An included GPU anti-sag arm provides stability for graphics cards up to 430mm long, giving peace of mind for high-end build. Owners of Frame 4000D and Frame 5000D cases can easily upgrade with dedicated kits that are also being made available today. The Frame 4000 series LCD mounting kit and Frame 5000 series LCD mounting kit allow users to add a housing and glass panel for the Xeneon Edge LCD touchscreen to their existing case. These upgrade kits reinforce the modular philosophy behind the Frame series and give builders more ways to personalize their setups. This approach reflects Corsair's commitment to flexibility and sustainability, allowing enthusiasts to enhance their systems without unnecessary waste. And that's all for today. Drop your thoughts in the comments and I'll catch you in the next video.